Good morning, guys. Today I've been gonna do something that I've been meaning to do for quite a while now, actually, and that is we're gonna get some window tint. We're at Z-Bart's here locally to me. We're gonna get the front windows tinted to 20% to match the rear windows, and then I'm gonna get a 5% limo tint brow just across the top of the windshield, just because the newer trucks don't have any sort of integrated like smoked glass like the older vehicles used to have. Kind of block a little bit of the sun out of my face. So I know the sun is glaring, but here's a before shot. I'll get around the other side. There we go. Sorry about the sun, but I just wanted to get a good before shot so we can kind of compare afterwards. All right, guys, there it is, 20% on the front windows to match the rears. And then for the brow, we got limo tint. Looks pretty good. Actually makes it so, like, the brow makes it so that you don't have to really wear sunglasses as much in the truck. It blocks a lot of sun, which is nice. Didn't want to go super dark on the front because I don't want to get too hassled. 50%, I believe, is maximum legal in Minnesota here, so either way I'm over the limit. But so that's pretty much it. As with the tint video, all I can really show is a before and after, so I'll kind of flip back and forth on those now, but I think it looks a lot better, especially in the black. Kind of finished off the truck. There's a couple of bubbles still in the tint, but they said to give it like 3 to 5 days. Can't roll the windows down or nothing. It needs time to cure. I think I have to go back there real quick though, because I think they messed something up in the door panel. When the truck is unlocked, this opens just fine, but when you lock and unlock the door, you can see the door panel flex. I think they got some linkages crossed, because when the door is locked, it's hard to open this. So we're gonna go back there, get that taken care of.
Get the edge of the film down under there. Let me, you know what, I just might have to pop back and take a look, see if there is anything like that. All right, hang tight 1 second. I'll no bring it around and see what I can do with it. Okay, thank you. Feel free to have a seat, look around the TV, whatever. Okay.
So it appears that the lock rod, the little knob that goes up and down when you lock and unlock the door, it's kind of bent looking, and it's rubbing the hole in the door panel that it goes through. So I'm thinking that's our problem. Maybe it got bent when they put the little like door card in there to do the tint. He's gonna take the door panel apart, take a look. So he's not really seeing anything. He kind of just loosened the knob here, so it's not quite as tight of a fit. It's a little better than it was, but there's still something going on there. So I'm gonna play with it myself, or if I can't figure it out, I'll bring it to the dealer and just kind of play dumb, see if they'll do it under warranty. But typical bad luck Tony scenario here. But I digress. Here's one more look at it. Let me know what you think down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.